guys, what's going on? It's Pianther here, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Build an Adventure Map, aka LBAAM. So guys, welcome back. I just got off of my school year. I am super happy. I have some friends over in the background. If you guys can hear them, please try to ignore them. They are very annoying. So anyways, I did a lot of planning and just stuff in general off of camera, guys. If you guys do remember last episode, I remember, I think, I showed you guys, I didn't show you, I told you guys to leave a comment in the comment section to say what's the new wizard that we made last episode. What's his name? Dwynendorf, I believe. Yep. And I asked you guys to name off trade offers he can do. To Gia Bell, I swear if I pronounced that wrong. To Gia Bell, I just saw your comment right before I started this episode, so I will get your trade offer in. It was a cool trade offer, so I will put it into Dwynendorf, but right now I don't have it because I just saw the comment. But anyway, here is Dwynendorf, you guys do remember. And this is what we got. So remember, he only trades diamonds. So if you have diamonds, he'll give you this stuff. So first of all, it'll give you Dwynendorf's staff. Is sharpness 3, knockback 1, and flame 1. An ancient staff passed down from generation to generation. That is pretty cool if you guys ask me. Next one is the 3 diamonds, and it gives you the bleached fireball. Whoever commented, I forgot who it was, who commented a blaze powder that shoots a fireball out of the blaze powder. This is kind of like that. This is the closest I could get to it because without a snowball, you can't really throw a fireball right off the bat. But with certain commands, you can actually throw this. So this is the bleached fireball, and it's called bleached fireball for a reason because it's obviously white. And I mean that would make sense. So anyway. The subtitle, I guess you could say, the lore is it always comes back to you, ... And the reason it says that is because once you get this snowball, not the snowball, once you get the bleached fireball, once you throw it, it has a cooldown time of, I think, 20 seconds before it'll come back to your inventory. So it's like a boomerang, a bleached fireball, kind of. So let's get both of these in our inventory and just see what they do. I haven't really tested them out all too much. The bleached fireball, I haven't put the command in, but I will this episode. So, I'll cut the video in just a second so I can put the command in and I'll show you guys what it does. But right now, the bleached fireball, it's just a regular snowball. So, it's just nothing. It doesn't shoot an actual fireball, but it will this episode. The Dwynendorf's staff. This is pretty cool. Let's see what it has. Sharpness 3, knockback 1, flame 1. So for 3 diamonds, you can get this. And let's just see what it does. Let's pull out a... what should we get? Let's just get a... zombie? No, it'll burn. Let's get a creeper. Just because. So let's get the creeper. There we go. We got a bunch of creepers. And so 1, 2, 3, 4... Wait, why isn't it catching on fire? Oh, I need to be in... Don't I need to be in... What's it called? Regular mode. Survival mode. Right, okay. Let me kill these creepers 1 sec. That was a bad example. Get out of the grass. Thank you. That was a bad example. Let me get one simple zombie. Zombie. There we go. Let's do time set. That's not time set. Time set nights. There we go. So it's nighttime. Let's do game mode 0. So I haven't tried out the staff yet, guys. So it's gonna be some some going at. So let's see. There's the zombie 1. Why isn't it catching on fire though? Don't enchanted items. Okay. A couple things. 1, I believe so the sharpness works, right? The sharpness is working. The knockback. Wait, let's try this. Oh no, wait, no, creeper. No, I shouldn't have spawned you. Wait. Game mode 1. Let's get rid of you. So the knockback, I believe, works. Let's try it. I think it has a little bit of knockback. Let's try it one more time with the zombie. I believe it has a little bit of knockback. Just a little bit. We'll have to see. Yeah, it has a tiny bit of knockback. This other thing I want to show you guys is, remember we had the problem with villagers attacking zombies last episode. Okay, this guy's derping out, but we can easily fix that. So we'll play around with this in just a second, but I want to show you guys another thing that worked off of camera. Remember last episode we did this? What was it? We had a problem. So normally I would put an invisible barrier right here to try and protect the zombie, but that didn't work. But I think it was Rocket Fire MC. If I get that wrong, if it's a different person, I am very sorry. But yeah, it's Rapid Fire MC, not Rocket Fire. But I think that was him, and he gave me a pretty sick suggestion. So if I place down a zombie and it starts attacking this village, just watch what will happen. Okay, well, it was a little delayed because I have a little delayed timer on it. But normally, I'll have to set the timer a little bit faster, some cause and effect. But basically, when the zombie gets within a 2 block radius of the villager, it will actually die, which is pretty cool. I'll show you guys the command in just a second. But as I was saying, I need to make the timer a little bit faster because it still kind of hits the villager. But yeah, I'll just have to fix that. Well, actually, we could fix it right now if we really wanted to. So another thing I want to show you guys is I just added this waypoint book in. So basically, teleport to main home, it teleports me here. Teleport to second home, teleports me to the hole. If I teleport to the mine, it teleports me over to the corruption. If I go back to the main home, if I can I go back to the main home? What about here? There we go. So go back to the hole, and then teleport to mine 2. It'll teleport me into El Gore's cave. If I teleport to mine 3, it takes me into the redstone room. So this command block, so right here is for another time. I'm actually working on something right now with these what's it called? These redstone blocks, but I'll get to that. But what was I gonna say? Right. This is the clock I have on it right now. It's pretty slow, if you guys ask me. Oh, is there people coming? Yeah, hold on one sec, guys. All right, so I think it's good, guys. Sorry, as I was saying, I have some people over, and yeah, I'm trying to get them as quiet as I can, but you know, people. Anyways, off of camera, just like for a couple seconds, I just changed the clock to a much faster clock, so it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes pretty fast, and basically, this is the command for it. Thank Rapid Fire MC or whoever did it. I think it was him. I'm almost certain it was him. But anyway, it's execute at E, type villager, same spot, and then basically it's targeting the villager, and then it says test for a zombie within the radius of 2, and then if that is true, then this comparator is going to go off, and then it's going to execute this thing. It's pretty much the same exact command, but instead of testing for the zombie in the area of the villager, it'll kill the zombie in the area of the villager. So it's a pretty smart command. You got to thank him for it. And yeah, over here we've already dealt with that stuff. We've already dealt with this stuff. And yeah, okay, so we should get back to the bleached fireball. If we jump over into a new world, I'll show you what the command does, or what the fireball does, because I need to actually copy and paste the commands into here. So basically, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what was I saying? Right, okay, so this is the command. This is basically the command block. I'm just basically in my Redstone World where I do all my redstone stuff. What is this? What is this? No idea. Is this the... Okay, so yeah, this tests for like any air, the nearest player. Maybe I should change it to all players. Test for inventory snowball at A. Okay. Test for everyone in the inventory with a snowball. So anyone who has a snowball in their inventory, it will activate this. Let me actually put the command back, the timer back, I was saying. There we go. So it puts the timer back. So it tests for a snowball in my inventory. And basically, this is the command right here. So it executes at E, type snowball, and then it summons the fireball in the exact direction of the snowball. So if I grab a snowball real quick, where is it? Snowball, there you go. So snowball right here. If I grab a snowball and I throw it, there we go. That looks pretty cool if you guys ask me. There is a timer though, so this is the 20-second timer. If I get rid of my snowball after, I think it's 20 seconds. I don't know if it's 20 seconds. It'll return to my inventory. I don't know if it's 20 seconds. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So about 10 seconds. That's not bad. Maybe we should add it up in the future, but right now it's pretty helpful. So you guys may notice if I start spamming it, it's also going to spam the countdown timer. So it's going to give me multiple of the snowball, as you can see. So the thing with that is if I go into game mode 1, I actually, not game mode 1, game mode 0, I actually won't be able to spam it because the snowball will be gone from my inventory, and therefore there will only be one cooldown cooldown wire circuit, I guess. So there we go, gives me the new snowball, and I can then throw it again. Very cool stuff, very cool stuff. So that is pretty much it. If I can go in and paste all the commands and stuff into here, and then hop over into the world, I think we should be good. So I'm going to try and set this up, guys, and I will be back in just a second. All right. Alrighty, guys. So I got it all set up. It is all good. It is all good and right here. Actually, it's all good except for this command block right here. But right now, I don't have the command for the bleached fireball, so I'm just going to have to do a /give command. So I'll do /give at p snowball. That's not snow, it's a snow. I can't type today. Snowball 1. I think that'll work. Will that work? Yeah, it'll work. Awesome. So now that it is all set up, let's us activate this thing. Actually, wait, is the thing in my inventory? No, the snowball is not in my inventory, but this is activated. It is? Wait. Oh, this is backwards. Is it upright like that? Not like that, like this. There we go. Okay, and activate it. Awesome. Now let's go back to the main place and buy ourselves another bleached fireball. So we have 3 diamonds. Let's go up here and actually let's set the time set day. Awesome. Okay, head down here, buy the bleached fireball. Once we buy it, there we go. And now it should work. Yes. Does it destroy anything? No, it does not either, because we have disabled explosions. So we can do it as much as we want without any consequences. Not consequences, consequences. And there we go, clear it. So right now it's all pretty much set up. I just need to set it so it'll give me another bleached fireball instead of a regular fireball. But yeah, that is pretty cool, guys. I'm going to admit. So the staff needs a little bit of work because it doesn't set them on fire. That is actually a problem. I don't know why it won't set them on fire. If anyone knows why it won't set them on fire, I think it might it might not set them on fire because it's just a regular item. But I wouldn't know. So yeah. I'll have to figure this out more off of camera. But yeah, this was a good idea. I like these items right now, and I got even more coming for that specific traded villager. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I did off of camera. As I said, I did do a fair amount of stuff. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to do today. I think I have one more thing to show you. And this thing is like really cool, and it's an idea that I had a little bit ago, but I never actually went through with it. And then I did some researching, and I actually found it. So I'm going to hop over into the Redstone World, and then I'll show you guys what I have for you. All right, be right back. All right, guys, so we are inside the Redstone World, and this is what I want to show you. If I grab a villager, this is what I was talking about. So this is the same exact thing that I said I was working on. And basically, it's just a bunch of detect commands, execute commands, and stuff like that. And it actually is really cool what I have. So it allows you to create actual paths for villagers, which is really crazy. And you can see, can I push him? I believe I can. Can I push him? No, you cannot push the villager that I'm using. So it allows you to use custom paths using stairs. So if I click this villager, he'll actually start running on the path. Now this villager I can punch off because he doesn't have the data tag that I set for this specific villager. But yeah, it's really cool. And if you look over here, it uses stairs underneath blocks. And with that, you can just make the villagers run in certain directions. You can make all sorts of paths and stuff like that. And I think we can implement this into the adventure map. I think it would be really, really, really cool if we could do that. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I was working on off of camera, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that. I'll probably put this in probably off of camera or something like that. But, yeah, so I just want to show you that. I'm going to hop over to the next world, and then we'll end off the episode. All right. Alrighty, guys. So I would say this would be a pretty good episode. It is a great episode to start off the summer. I definitely enjoyed this episode. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the episode. If you guys did, please leave it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously, as well as subscribe if you guys haven't already. We do this series a lot. If you guys enjoyed it, come join all the fun by leaving a comment down below on what you think this adventure map should need. Anyways, guys, my name is Piano Thrower, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you later, guys, and peace.